Hi, I'm Vera.
And I'm Tad, and we're Vera and Tad.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I know. But let's, Vera, and we usually, Friday's like a date night for us. So I asked Vera if she wanted to go out on a date tonight, and she said,
Yes,
and it's called
Camarão, Baiana.
Camarão Baiana, which is my favorite Brazilian meal.
All right, see, here we have the ingredients for the Camarão Baiana shrimp. Here we have a pound. We have green, orange, and red peppers, scallions, onions, garlic. I have cilantro, tomatoes,
Okay.
bay leaf, and the main ingredient is the oil, the dende oil.
And that's the flavor. That's the key to the flavor. It's kind of what, like a yellowish orange.
So then coconut milk is another very important ingredient. And then I have a pepper that I've been...
Oh, is that the hot stuff that I
it's
can't
very
handle?
hot, yes.
Oh boy.
Okay.
What's this over here? This bottle? Oh,
This is the cachaça.
That's the
The
cachaça.
cachaça, and I made a caipirinha.
Oh,
Yeah.
with lemon. Normally it's made with lime, but we didn't have any lime tonight. We got some corn on the bone and some asparagus that I'm going to saute in olive oil and garlic. And then the rice. The rice is a very key ingredient because that's what you pour this
Delicious.
Camarão Baiana
Goodness.
stew. It's like a shrimp
The
stew over.
goodness.
What else, Vera? What else do we have?
We just have to serve.
We have to serve it?
Let's
Let's eat?
yes.
Where's your table? Oh, you got the table. Let me show the table that Vera made for our date night. Well, how'd your good day go? What did you do today, Vera?
I planned the dinner.
You planned the dinner, that's true. So how's this go? We put the rice and this goes over the rice, right? There it is, look at that. Huh?
The shrimp is perfect.
Shrimp's perfect, the rice is very perfect. Okay, well we're gonna shut this off now so we can eat this. And until next time. Okay, Vera, happy date night.
Yeah, but we have other things to